morning. What about you all? I am your number one channel this morning. Very important because I'm very happy, nice, and I'm filling out and the blanks all of my problem in my life. Okay, I will go to in front of like this. So well, I'm amazing this morning. You can show all about that my place. Wow. Anyone craft? Hello, Mr. Craft in the SpongeBob's. What do you do, Mr. Craft? Okay, I walk again. But before I walk, I information of you all this morning. Very important and natural of the panorama on the sky. Beauty and nice of the sunrise. Okay, we have to walk, go to in front of. If you know where I'm staying, you can comment or share this my vlog this morning. And I will go to in front of like that, so that I feel of the beauty, that's the natural of panorama in the history way. For all people in the world, the important all about my best friend, all about my family, and all people always together with Areal number one channel. Be happy forever about my life. I feel that's very important of the moment if I walk like this. White car. The last night that place rain. So if you walk here, information of your all and suggestions my mind. If you have to be careful, also stand here, you have to carefully, because this place is very smooth, also many mud. And now I'm stay in front of the tank of Pinang Masak. Okay. See you next time. See you again with Areal number one channel. Hope you always stay here. And don't forget like, comment, also share. The important, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel Areal. Love you all and bye bye.